10 units less of carpentry done, that implies that my profit will change, and again, it will tell me how much I should rent out my carpet or my mill or whatever it is. Okay? Now, you got to be careful, right? So, unfortunately, I erased this. The sensitivity study that we made assumed, so for this identity to be valid, we need that the index set B is still the index set for the optimal solution of the perturbed problem. Right? So the sensitivity study assumed that my D is sufficiently small. Okay? So, and in fact, in this case, if you plug in, so we said my D should be equal to 0, 10, 0. So that's the investment I should make. If you plug that in now into your LP and resolve, you will see that in fact your profit has changed by $10. Okay? So the negative profit, which here was, I believe, 180, will go up to 190. Or the negative profit, which was minus 180, will go down to minus 190. But if you say, okay, that sounds fantastic, so let me really invest in carpentry and just let me increase this by 40 units. Okay? So what happens now, you say, oh, okay, fantastic. I hire 4 times as many carpenters, I bet $20. I make $40 in additional profit. If you resolve, you will see that that doesn't work out. Okay? Because now the change in the right-hand side is too large for the assumptions in the sensitivity analysis to be true. Okay? So now, for the perturbed problem, the optimal solution has a different index set B, and so therefore the analysis that we've done before is no longer valid. Okay? So this sensitivity analysis that we've carried out there just tells you what you should invest in if you have sort of a marginal investment to make overall. But that's very important. So these kinds of sensitivities. And again, this gives you important pricing information. And there are a lot of economic interpretations of this. So there are sort of economic equilibria that you can analyze with linear programs, and it sort of tells you, okay, so what makes a market equilibrium? So it's if all the prices are met. Yes.
Is there a way of concretely saying how small you need it to be?
No.
No.
No. There is not. Okay. So this is sort of the first guess, but you definitely need to verify that by going back into the LP. So there's no way. So there's a way to say what that is, right? So what that was that AB inverse B plus AB inverse D needs to be greater than or equal to 0.